I went to Jharjari waterfall last 29 March Thursday. Waterfall, trail, hill tract are my favorite place. In this trail, I observed so many natural things like mini flower, living fossil, this roadside yellow flower. What is this? A snail shell. I collect this snail from Jhiri. I cannot define what is this. I found a cycas plant when we are walking. Winter has just passed, so there are a lots of dry leaves here and there. But I enjoy the hiking and the natural beauty of my country. I took 2 books to read there. I never miss this. I collected some plants for my house. Of course, I am a plant lover. I and my friends are try to explore every alley of the trail. Oh, I got a Erica Knight there. I keep it for my grandmom. This marvelous flower name is Ashoka flower. I see cascade there. Can you see the mini biodiversity here? I just look at the natural beauty and think, who said there is no God? The natural beauty is the main reason of my traveling hobby. Though it is March month and just few days there is no rain, so the waterfall had not much water, but just look at the natural beauty of the nature.